Don't allow this world to deceive you into believing that you are just here to enjoy, to become popular and famous through anything and everything. Some people become famous through sin. And some people, they are famous in the heavens and they are not even known on earth. Because the angels write down their good deeds that they do in secret between them and Allah. Subhana Rabbi al-A'la. May Allah grant us ease of preparation for the day we are going to meet with Him. And one hadith that I love to read and repeat and mention and talk about. Man ahabba liqa Allah, ahabba Allahu liqa'ahu. Allahu Akbar. Whoever loves the meeting with Allah, Allah loves the meeting with that person too. You want to meet Allah? Guess what? Allah wants to meet you. And how do I prepare for that day? I try my best. I worship Allah alone. I follow the sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and I am protective over it. To be protective over the right things is something that will earn you Jannatul Firdaus. What am I protective over? I am protective over my worship of Allah. I don't care what the world says. I worship Allah and Allah alone. And I will not participate in something that is displeasing to Allah. Secondly, I will make sure that whatever I do was taught by Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What was the point of sending a messenger if the message he came with was not important or irrelevant, or it was added onto or subtracted from? La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah.